Moravian star decorations have been around since the early 1800s and have only gained in popularity since because of their unique style. The Kringle Traditions Moravian star is outdoor rated and is designed to display big but store small with easy-to-use twist-in spires. Assembly can be done in minutes. Simply hold the star hub and insert the spires by rotating them into the locking position. Spires come with a square base or a triangle base, and both types can be inserted into their corresponding holes and rotated into their locking positions. Once you're done, simply hang, plug in, and enjoy. But there's a lot more. This unique structure means you can also take different color spires and create your own custom color star combinations with different and amazing patterns. Mix and match red and white stars for Christmas, or purple and orange for Halloween. Create a patriotic display with red, white, and blue stars, or hang white stars amongst the trees with string lights to create a scene right out of a dream. With a little inspiration and a few minutes, you can create amazing displays that will dazzle and impress with Kringle Traditions Moravian Starlights.